y'all. I think I'm back. Been a long time coming, but I'm back. For real this time. I have recorded, I say for real this time because y'all don't know, but I've recorded like 3 videos, 4 videos since the last time y'all saw me, but I never posted them. I'm finally back. I'm actually gonna post this. So I'm finally back to like making long form content, kind of. I have to like talk right now, but I'm not gonna like talk the whole video. It's gonna be like probably sped up, most of it. But I'll talk as an intro and an outro. This might not even be the intro because once I finish my hair, I might want to show y'all that as the intro. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna try to make a comeback though. And we're gonna be editing all from my phone. I used to edit from my MacBook, but like getting the content to my MacBook, especially since my MacBook storage is like filling up, it's kind of a lot. I probably should just get a hard drive. Anyways, you gotta sign up for that. Getting into the video. Okay, y'all, I haven't done this in a while, so bear with me. But I'm basically just doing my moisture routine here. I don't know if I ever showed y'all my moisture routine on YouTube, so if you haven't seen it yet, here it is. I did do it on Instagram in the past, but yeah, so it's very simple. I use water, so it's just water in my spray bottle, the silver spray bottle, and then I go in with this Curl and Shine mist by Earth Supplied, and it smells really good, and it's like nice and moisturizing, but like not too heavy. I don't really like use anything heavy on my locks these days. So that's my go-to moisturizing product. And then I go in with my Head and Shoulders Scalp Elixir. It's like the best stuff for my scalp. I've been using it for years at this point. And then I go in with my L Rosemary Mint Scalp Oil. Really, I just use any hair oil like that comes in that type of bottle to put on my scalp because I just find that it's easiest to like penetrate really penetrate my hair since my roots get so thick when I don't have a retwist. And I just put that everywhere on my edges mainly though because, you know, just trying to keep them full. And then I go in with my TGIN hair oil and I use that on my actual locks. That smells really, really good. And it does like soften my hair and just kind of seal in that moisture. So now that my moisture routine is done, we can get into the style. And you kind of missed it. Like I didn't show it on camera, but I did kind of just figure out where I want my parts to be and how I want it to go. So whenever I do my hair in like cornrows, I haven't done these cornrows in over a year. Again, I say I don't even know if the video made it to YouTube, but it was on my Instagram. Whenever I do these cornrows, I always start with the sides. Like those are just the easiest sections to get done. So I always start with those first, and then I move like to the center. So here I'm just like doing my first braid. I always retwist the very front row of locks, and then from there I just kind of like retwist. So I retwist the front row of locks with product. And then after that, I'm just gonna like do a soft retwist without using any product on the rest of those locks. Hopefully that makes sense, but like you should be able to see what I'm talking about. And so like before I put it into the braid, I like to like twist it at the root to make sure that my roots look kind of neat. And then I secure the end with a rubber band. And like, sorry for all the rocking, y'all. My arms were hurting, my legs were hurting. Like I was just tired of standing already. So here you just see I did the front half of the rest of the cornrows, and then I'm gonna like, my original plan was to combine the back. So like in the front I would have 1, 2, 3, 4. I would have 4 cornrows, and then in the back I would only have like 2. Because that's what I did last year, but my hair has grown, so I was actually able to do 4 full cornrows, and you'll be able to see that. But it was just easier for me to like do the parting like that and just do the first half of the cornrows, and then the second half, it was easier for me to do that. So if you struggle with parting your hair, whether you have locks or not, I think just doing like the front half of your head and then doing the second half would be easier than just trying to like cornrow all the way back. So yeah, I'm just doing the second half. Anyways, while I'm doing that part, let me tell you guys about my hair a little bit since it's been a while since you guys have seen it. I believe last time I left you, or last time I did a video, I was like 5 months locked, maybe 6 months locked. So now I am, sorry about my voice, y'all. I'm trying to talk quiet. Okay, so as of this video, I am currently a year and 9 months locked. So so much time has passed since y'all last saw my hair. Another update, clearly you can see that I have dyed, or bleached rather, the a little section of my hair. I've given myself like a little skunk patch, if you will. I didn't want anything like, I really like my black hair, my dark locks right now. I just feel like they look so healthy. And so I wanted a pop of color, but I didn't want it to be like, I wanted to be able to hide it if I wanted to. So that's why I came up with that blonde patch. And I have dyed that blonde patch pink and red and a kind of orange before. So yeah, I've experimented with that blonde patch. Um, I feel like those are the main two lock updates, like how long I've been locked and then the fact that I added color. But anyways, y'all, my face looked like that because I was very much like, I haven't seen the back, so I don't know what I'm going to show y'all, but the back actually looks cute. I was very surprised at how good it came out. So now I'm just doing my favorite part, setting my style. I'm using my, I think it's like some kind of like mousse that people use for braids and locks. It's by Magic Fingers. That's what it is. It's Shine and Jam Magic Fingers mousse. And then I'm just going to tie my scarf on, and I'm going to put a little hat on because I don't have a blow dryer, but ideally you could just like blow dry your hair for this step. So I left the hat on and the scarf on for maybe like 30 minutes to let it dry and set in. And here I am, just like, I'm about to lay my edges, and I use She Is Bomb Edge Jelly. I think that's what it's called, or hair jelly, something like that, for my edges, and I love it so much. But yeah, just lay my edges, applying some finishing touches, and then I'll give y'all the final reveal. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video because I'm about to come back in real time. And if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. And I miss YouTube so much, but I'm so happy to be back. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, y'all. I know this is probably weird because like, why are you in the bathroom with all this stuff on? But it doesn't matter. Anyways, I just want to show you guys like the finished hair. I think it came out cute. Hopefully that's a good angle, but yeah, it's done. I'm probably gonna keep these little braids in for like at least a week. I feel like a week is a good amount of time. We'll see, because I might end up swimming, so then of course they're not gonna last as long. But yeah, I think it's so cute. It just came out so cute. I'm trying to see if y'all can get a good angle. But it just came out so cute. It took much longer than I expected, but it was worth it because it came out very cute. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited to be back to YouTube, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and subscribe. Bye.